guys, how are you guys doing today? You know, it's your boy Penkus again. And today, I get some conch and some sea cat salt out. So I said today, we're going to deal with some conch, sea cat, and I'm going to roast some breadfruit.
Finger, you know.
Clean and pretty, you know?
Piece of pork.
It's a meal of Vietnam language. Got the meal we're going to put today, Vietnam language style. So catch me, I cut up the octopus at this time. Woyoy, octopus, woyoy. No fear, no? Tough, you know?
Sharp,
Yeah, you want sharp and style.
brown fire.
I love a big man with that pocket, I love it. You want to put up for was finished now, you know? Because I go and get the fire stick them together so we can get the breadfruit to roast.
Oh man, I chicken them up there can deliver
Alright, so. Yeah guys, that is it. So we're gonna get the coal light up, get the octopus and the conch skull off. As they finish skull off, we're gonna take them back out and dice them up the right and proper way. Look at that guys. Clean and pretty, you know? Yeah man. So we're gonna make a see cause I go and catch the fire stick together so we can get the breadfruit to roast. So stay tuned for all of that peeps. Yeah, my peeps, so Jeremy and Chucky, I get the fire stick together so we can get the breadfruit roast. Yeah, only for eat. You know, so the sun hot too. You just the fire alone. Get the coal inside the coal pot. Yeah man. I'm out of the fire now. So stay tuned for that guys till Chucky get the breadfruit one out of the fire. Sun is very hot, man. Yeah guys, that is it. Six breadfruit guys, looking so lovely. So check you roast the breadfruit there, you know? Yeah man, so I will get them peel off in just a bit. So what we're gonna do now guys, we're gonna check in back on the conch and the sea cat. Yeah guys, go and get the cold ketchup, you know, so we can put on the conch, let the conch scald off. Yeah guys, we're gonna get the conch and the sea cat scald off right now. Get the drop onto the fire. Get him cover. So and you think them better looking at the pot. Yeah guys, we're gonna check in back on the conch and the sea cat. Wow. Yeah man, we're gonna make them scald off. So we're gonna take it off in just a bit. And then we're gonna slice up the conch the proper way. And then just get it to curry it on the sea cat. Look at that. Looking so lovely. As I said before, nobody does it better like us. Some vinegar, you know, so you can get rid of the rawness, you know. Because vinegar go on marinate tonight for a little bit. So the chirp back in this. And then we're going to get it washed off the proper way. Alright guys, go and stay tuned. Okay, we're going to get them together. Fresh, thick, you see me? So, what we're going to do now guys, we're going to get the thing them wash off right away, instant. Then I go drop in the curry guys. I go drop in. Alright, come guys. I go drop in a little piece of garlic with some pimento seed just to give the pot the flavor we need. And you know we have some Maggi all purpose also. Yeah guys, this is it. So we also make it go on, catch a flavor, catch a color, and in just a bit we're gonna add a little water on it, and after that we're gonna throw the corn and the season on it, but we're not gonna throw all the season one time. We're gonna throw some, we can go and bevel down, and when you finish to cook, we throw the rest of the season on it. Add some water to it now. Damn. Looking good, looking lovely, you know? Well, you know? Breadfruit actually drop Get a little beat up, you know? So this is the bell pepper, guys. So guys, this is a scallion. Get the corn wash off and cut up same way. These are the soft corn, not the tough one, guys. And then I'm gonna dice them like this. Guys, looking good. Yeah? I got sure the rest of season on it now. I'm just going to just bring it down the right, you know? This is it, guys. Very good, you know? Looking so nice. So we'll start get some food share out, guys.
What if I nigga out the door? She did?
Yeah, feed,
Daddy, you got a bar over there, man, and don't go blood.
Yeah, guys. this is it. Yes guys, this is it, you know. So thank you guys for supporting us. Really appreciate all of that. And another thing guys, really appreciate every video I put up on YouTube. You guys give me the full support. And I really appreciate that. Same as a shout out to all of my friends in America, all of my friends in Jamaica, Canada, no matter which place on the planet Earth. Shout out to all you guys, and thank you so very much guys for your lovely support. Thank you so very much for your turning out guys. So this is what we do, and this is what we do the best. So I just want to say thank you all guys again, and we are going to consume some food. As you can see guys, Richie. Yeah guys, because I could on a film, you know.
Conch soft, that is a good thing to cook, you know. After bread.
Yeah, see chef there.
Special.
How you got flat?
Epic. They're all down in the head, they're going to be with nobody right now. They're all doing